How to create a Gmail account with a phone number. For this, first and foremost, go ahead and tap on this create account right here and tap on for my personal use. Now go ahead and mention your first name and your last name. Then tap on next. Here, go ahead and enter your birthday, your month, day, year, and also go ahead and select agenda and tap on next. Then go ahead and add a username for your Gmail. Here I'm writing one random and set a password. Then comes the important part. So right here you have to go ahead and mention your phone number. However, at the bottom you will find there is a skip button. You have to go ahead and tap on it. By doing this, there won't be a record of your phone number. Now the only step left is to agree to their privacy and terms and wait for your Google account to be fully refreshed. Then, if you go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top, you will see that your Gmail account has been created and you have the full access to it. So isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.